Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, for your information, Attorney Rondain, lawyer for Saldico, is in the vicinity, but I received a notice that he is prevented from making his way into this hall. Sana po ay merong makatulong sa kanya para makarating dito. Nasa baba yata.
Yes, may we ask some of our staff to see what's happening there, and then kung kailangan namin sunduin, susunduin namin. Again, may I remind even our own employees, pag in-interrupt nyo or dinisturb or pipigilan nyo yung ating hearing, yan po ay criminal offense. At ang hindi pagpapasok sa aming resource person ay kasama po yan sa paparusahan.
Mr. President,
Sir, meron dito sa likod, dito na lang po para mas safe. Sasama na lang po kayo. Dito na po kayo.